Hey guys, so today I will be cleaning and unpacking my room. I'm embarrassed to show you. So as you can see, I took the bed sheets off. Those are in the wash. Well, actually, Eddie took them off this morning for me. But it is a disaster. And that is just my room. So the living room, it looks like a tornado went through it. The kitchen's a mess. I just showered, got ready. I always feel better and more productive when I'm like ready to go because I was in my pajamas this morning. It's really cold. I mean, it warmed up right now. When it's cold, I feel like I can't move. I would literally just like curl up in a ball and just like sit there until I'm warm. So I went, took a nice hot shower, got ready. So yeah, hopefully I'll be a little bit more productive, and I think I have to run some errands. Not I think, I do, but I don't know if I'll get them done today. So yeah, I think I'm going to start off by throwing in another load of laundry. I like to get laundry going while I'm like cleaning. Makes me feel like I'm doing two things at the same time. So I'm going to throw in another load of laundry. I'm going to put bed sheets on. For me, when my bed is done, I feel like the room looks so much better. If the bed is messy, then I feel like the entire room is like such a mess. So yeah, I'm going to make the bed and hopefully make this place look a little bit better. The other day, I had Eddie take down our bins of like winter clothes from the attic. So I did throw some of my stuff in the wash, even though it was clean, but you know it has that smell. I do try to put these, what are they called, dryer sheets to give it some smell like between the clothes on the sides. And it helps, but still it had like, just like, I like that fresh, clean clothes smell. So I threw some of that in the wash. There's still like bigger sweaters and stuff that I don't know if I'll wash. But this stuff, if I have time today, I will go through and take out my summer clothes from the closet and switch out the bins. But if not, I'll leave everything in here and maybe do it another day. But that is another project I do need to work on. I still have Eddie's bag to unpack, and then we have some bags of clothes. Went shopping yesterday. We are going up north for Thanksgiving, and it is really cold there, and Eddie will be helping his parents work on their house. They just bought a new house, so he bought like a bunch of like winter gear, not gear, but like, you know, thick like a suit and sweaters and stuff, whatever. And then here's my suitcase I still have to unpack. I believe all of this clothes is clean. We did have a washer and dryer there, so I did wash most of our clothes. If it was dirty, I had it in a separate bag, and I already washed that. So this is all clean clothes, so that'll be easy. I just have to take it out, hang it up, or put it in the closet. And then my toiletries. And like I said, we are going up north for about a week. So I will be packing and repacking really soon. So I'm just going to take out all of the things that I need to use, but stuff that I know I will be using again when we travel, I'll probably leave in the suitcase. doing like a travel essentials video where I show you all the things I like to use when traveling. We do drive more than fly, so some of the things that I take when we drive might be a little bit different than if you were flying, obviously. But so this is one thing that I like to do is every time I come back from a trip, so this is my toiletries bag. I'll show you a little bit more in the travel essentials video, but I like to go through, and if I have like any empty shampoos, if I'm running low on like toothpaste, like the necessities, I like to, as soon as I come home and unpack, I like to pack, I like to check the bag and refill those things if I have to. So I know I am running low on a few things because we were gone for 3 weeks. So I'm going to go ahead and refill this. This way, if we are leaving somewhere last minute, I know I can grab this and everything I need is in here and I'm not running low on anything. I finally was able to unpack everything and clean the clothes up. I do still have this bin here. I did end up taking out all of the winter sweaters and winter clothes and putting that in our closets. And I did take out most of our shorts, you know, like tank tops, things like that I won't be wearing in the winter. I didn't like completely go through and do it all. That's why the bin is still there. But I just kind of put it there for now until I have time to finish that. So now I'm just going to vacuum and dust the room. I just changed and am going to go to the store. I wanted to go during the day to like TJ Maxx, Ross, and then I have to stop by Walmart to return this storage bin. I wanted to go during the day, less traffic and everything. Didn't have time, so I'm going to run out right now. I still didn't clean the kitchen or the living room, but hopefully I could do that when I get home. And I wanted to go out to the store before Eddie gets home, just this way when he gets home we could spend time together. If I end up getting anything, I'll show you when I get home. I'm back from the stores. I went to TJ Maxx, Ross, and then Big Lots. I really didn't get much, but I'll just quickly show you what I ended up getting. I already took it out of the bags I was showing Eddie. I got this cologne. It's by Adam Levine. It wasn't that expensive. I just got it for Eddie, like for work or something. Just like a cheaper cologne so he could save his nice one for like special occasions. That I got at TJ Maxx. I also got earrings. I'll show you, I'm actually wearing them. These are the earrings. They're just little hoops with diamonds. Got that. I believe that's it from TJ Maxx. I think so. Am I missing something? Nope, I think that's it. And then from Big Lots, I got just random, but some vanilla extract, organic shredded red beets. I could either use this for, it's like a Russian or European, I don't know, borscht, or just like for salads or something. And then these pickled baby beets. I really like beets, so you can eat these too or put them in a salad or whatever. And then from Ross, got some more avocado oil. And this green, sorry, I have like stuff all over the house from unpacking. This green, it's kind of like a knit dress. I didn't try it on yet, so hopefully it looks okay. If not, I'll return it. And that's pretty much it. As you can see, there's stuff behind me over there. I didn't clean up this room yet, so I'm gonna do that right now and then clean the kitchen. And Eddie's working outside a little bit, and then he's gonna come inside and we're gonna light up the fireplace for the first time finally. I'm so excited. I really wanted to set up the Christmas tree, but I think I might do that tomorrow. I'm meeting a friend tomorrow morning, and then after that I think I'll come home and take down my Christmas decorations. We'll see. But yeah, I really don't want to do anything right now, but I know I feel so much better when the house is clean. I just finished cleaning up the living room and the kitchen. I already turned the light off, it's dark, but it's mostly all clean. I have a little, like, a couple little jars with plants I need to relocate and figure that out, but not today. I don't know if you saw, kind of gather most of my fall things. I was going to take the wreath off the front door, but then I kind of left it there for now, but this is mostly what I have. I didn't do too much fall decorations this year, so that's what I have. I'm actually going to sit down and do my nails. I was listening to a podcast. I've mentioned them before, Stevie and Suzanne Hendricks. I don't know if you watched her on YouTube or on Instagram. They started a new podcast. It's called The Good Life. I think, the Good Life podcast, and they have so many good, interesting topics. So I actually had that playing while I was cleaning. It's still not done. I have a couple more to catch up on. So I'm going to be listening to that, doing my nails. Eddie's still outside working in the shed or garage, whatever. So yeah, as you can tell, I already changed my PJs. I'm nice and comfortable. And then maybe when he comes inside, we'll light up the fireplace.